managing Hondo's precious cargo.
Sorry, man.
Spanner looks like.
Are you sure it's gone?
What? Of course it's gone. I'm staring at the crate right now.
Sure you didn't seal it up in one of the crates you're shipping out?
Welcome, my friends, welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hello, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. Yes, yes. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Schumacher, my fine furry friend! Yes, yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the first owner will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me. And you, of course, after all, even split 70-25 minus your set off 25. Pilots, line up behind the train, and engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
If you want, go fly.
Are you sure?
Go fly.
Okay. I've never been.
You want to shoot? Okay.
Yeah. So what do you do? Guys, I don't have a good feeling about this. That's what they all say.
Not enough. Time is money.
All right, everyone tug on your yellow towel. Tug really hard. Tug, tug, tug. Tug, tug, tug. It's going to be bumpy, so hold on to that.
Flight engineer, repair desk. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. action! There it is! After that plane! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free! And pilot brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! Now power up the ship! Well, I grab the go axial! You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they did, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's breaking, shooting! Good job, my friends. Yes! We got the coils out. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! Good time! Let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. True is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. Two more. He's the last. You did it. Watch out. Oh, that's going to be hard. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Should have never been a
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Oh, fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes.